I'm kind of scared. If you know me personally, then you know that me meeting new people, it gives me anxiety. What's goody, what's goody, what's good? It's your girl, OhhhThatsBritt. How you feeling? How you living? How you looking? Okay. Let's see, where's the app? Hang on. I don't even know how to start this in. I will slay your whole life.
2 days later.
Tell me why I forgot to plug up the ring light.
Several days later.
So as you can tell, I had to restart my video because I didn't know what I was doing. So I just kind of winged it in my intro. As you can tell by the title below, that this is a monkey app. Rate me from 1 to 10. So it's gonna be litty. 20 likes at the max. And we're gonna get into this video because it's gonna be disrespectful. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be everything all in one. My heart is just like boop 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 boop. This is my heart. I'm tripping. Like I'm tripping. Alright, y'all are ready? Cause we got the screen going. Okay. Wait, I'm nervous. Yo, hello?
Yo.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
It's hard waking up every day and still being fucking ugly. That shit get old. Like, why my glow up keep passing?
I didn't even hear what he said. Yo. Yo. No, I'm not adding. Look, if y'all ask me to add time, I'm not adding time. Yo.
What's up?
What's up? Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
I give it 9.
A 9. Oh, thank you. I'm a 9. Oh, 9. Do you think I'm a 9? My heart is like. Yo.
Yo, it's good.
What's up?
She said, do I look like a damn turkey? What that means?
What?
Crunch.
Yo. Yo. What? Yo. What's up? Thank you, thank you. Can you rate me? Can you rate me? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, we gotta we back at it again. Back at it again, Daniel, with the white bands. Yo.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not much, working.
Aw, can you rate me?
Right, you?
Mm-hmm.
Have some time.
No, I'm not. I'm not. Yo.
What up?
What's up?
How you been?
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
Can you rate me?
I give you 10.
Oh, thank you.
I love you, bitch. Oh my God. I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
I gotta see it. Yo. What's up? Can you rate me?
I can't. Get out.
It's okay. Y'all can skip me. Y'all can skip me. Why does it take so long for somebody to answer? I don't know if this is a glitch. Who knows? Who knows? Not me. Yo. Wait. I don't know why my face is stuck like that. Why they be skipping? Why they be skipping? Hello? What's up? Can y'all rate me? A 50? Oh, thank you. They so nice. Alright. Yo. What's up? Can you rate me? Can you rate me? 100?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Good evening.
Everybody's so nice on this app to me. I don't know why, but they're so nice. Maybe because my lip gloss is popping.
Y'all ugly.
Yo.
Yo,
What's up?
I'm calling. What's up with you?
Nothing much. Can you rate me?
You cute as shit. I can get a 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bruh. Bruh.
What's up?
What's up?
Chilling.
Can you rate me?
Hey.
I don't never know what to say after that. They for real deal nice up on Monkey to me. I think I'm gonna end this video on a positive note. Yo, comment below if you want to see a part 2 to this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Also hit that notification button and go look at my previous videos because it only get bigger and better. What y'all want to see, comment down below. Tell me what's your favorite part of the video. And thank you for all my supporters out there. And that's a wrap.